Hello, this is Leo Page at MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, and today I'm going to show you around our all-new 2019 Sea Ray 270 SDX. Polished stainless steel anchor with windlass on the bow, sport arch with large bimini top, plenty of sun coverage, powered by the all-new Mercury 300 horsepower V8 engine, color in white, sea deck on the swim platform and companionway, large rear-facing sun lounger, huge cockpit with tons of seating for all your friends and family, cocktail table as well, forward-facing seating on both sides for both the captain and the passengers, nicely laid out helm with touchscreen audio and touchscreen SIMRAD display, head area off to the port, nicely finished out with a pump out head and a sink. Coming forward, you have an expansive bow seating area with a lot of storage underneath, built-in speakers and cup holders and grab handles where you need them. Nicely finished out with flip-down armrest. And of course, Infinity woven flooring through the whole boat. Come by MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida, and ask for Leo Page to see the Gulf Coast's largest selection of new and pre-owned Sea Ray boats.